Since launching Journey's online booking platform, we have seen an increase in bookings 239% and a 242% increase in booking value year on year. Before taking on an online booking system, we felt there was a gap of losing potential client bookings between our closing hours. We found that many consumers are online after the hours of 8 p.m. I felt that we needed something to tap into that market.
It's a much more accurate system, takes out a lot of the possible errors because staff are doing 2 or 3 different jobs. So it actually concentrates their mind for that very short space of time that it's required. My staff then are able to interact with the guests for much longer, and hotels are all now, it's not just about bedrooms, it's about the experience.
The online booking platform is optimised for mobile users, and we have seen from reports that 82% of our bookings are coming through mobile users. The guest experience has improved with this because they can now build their basket online, which means they're building their whole entire spa day or experience. It is so user-friendly for us on the back end to set up. It's very, very visual. And if you're going to a revenue meeting, it's really easy. You just upload the first page, all your details are on there. Previously, I would have done a lot of manual counting and auditing, and now I have everything at the touch of a button. So having the new technology in our spa has helped us increase our revenue across many channels. It increases our conversion of our bookings in general.